Every cell in your body is constantly in the process of transforming. The only question is whether it is transformed for better or for worse.
You see, in your body flows the same life force that moves the oceans, that grows the trees. The ancient Chinese masters called this universal life force Qi, and Qigong simply means to work with this energy, to dance with it, to wake it up inside of you. When your energy flows freely, you feel happy, you feel healthy, you feel love, you feel connected.
Are you willing to go up to this level? Are you willing to go to that level to experience the power of your divine? And this is all about you. It's not about Jesus. It's not about God. It's not about Lao Tzu. It's not about Buddha. It's not about Chunyi Lin. It's all about you. That's the secret. Through my 30 years meditation, healing, experiencing, studying, I found this. It's just so profoundly important and simple. The only thing can get you up over there is surrender. Let go with your ego. Let go with your worries. Let go with your concerns. You'll be there.
Chunyi Lin teaches that when you calm your mind, open your heart, and allow your energy to move, this is why simple practices like deep breathing, gentle movement, meditation, and intentional focus can feel so powerful. So remember, you are not separate from the divine. You are the divine, expressing itself as you. Everything is energy, and that energy is love. Your breath is your bridge to Qi. Your intention is your guide. Your love is your fuel. Practicing consistently for 100 days in a row will build a strong energy pattern in your body, rewiring the way your life force moves, restoring balance at the deepest level. This is not a quick fix. This is a relationship, a commitment to yourself, a daily act of love.
Now we come to the breathing of the universe. As you finish the moving of yin and yang, both hands slowly stopped at lower dantian position. There is a space between the body and the hand, and there is a space between both hands. For men, left hand in and right hand out. For women, right hand in and left hand out. Focus on your lower dantian. Take a deep breath 3 times.
It improves balance, releases tension from the lower back, and prepares the joints for safe movement.
Then as you inhale, move your hand open to the side. Exhale as you close your hand. Use your whole body to breathe. When you open your hand, try to feel the expanding of the energy in between your 2 hands. When close your hand, try to feel the resistance of the energy, but your hands do not touch each other. Always remember, no matter what movement you are doing, keep the tongue against the roof of the mouth. Use your hands and body to feel the energy, while you use the elbows to guide the action. While you inhale, visualize the pure universal energy flowing into your body from every part of the body and gathering in the lower dantian. While you exhale, imagine any sickness or pain turning into air or smoke and shooting out from every part of the body to the end of the universe.
This will open the chest and shoulders, helping people who sit long hours to relieve neck stiffness. This movement activates qi flow from the earth to the heavens and balances the nervous system. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more aware.
Now you start moving the yin and yang energies in the following way. Your right hand moves out and down while your left hand moves in and up. The right hand moves down to the bottom of the torso while the left hand moves up to the face. Your hands continue moving in this circular pattern. Continue to visualize there's a transparent energy column running from the top of the head to the bottom of the torso. While moving the hands, visualize the energy is moving up and down the transparent column, and the energy is shining with a beautiful color. All the channels in the torso open. Visualize the energy flowing in this way the whole time you are doing this movement. Use your elbows to guide the movement and use your hands to feel the energy. Your hands move at the rate of 3 to 5 circles per minute. Make sure when you do this movement, your fingers stay open. When your fingers are open, you receive energy. When your fingers close, you close your energy channels.
This step improves emotional stability and helps the benefits remain throughout the day instead of disappearing after practice. This move directs life force energy to the body's center, strengthening immunity and vitality.